Hi guys, my name's Andrew and this is my YouTube channel. I never really featured my face on here before, so here's the first view of me. And my boosted BRZ, 250 kilowatts for all you Australians out there, and 340 horsepower for all of you that can't be bothered doing the calculations on Google. On my boosted BRZ, together with my brother's infamous Supra. Look how good these two look together. There's going to be a lot more videos coming up, my BRZ, featuring my face obviously, and a couple of friends, so I hope you guys enjoy. Shortly upcoming videos of this car too, so stay tuned. So today we're going to be fixing the fourth gear grind in my BRZ. When I'm in high RPMs, the fourth gear just grinding a lot. Apparently it's a very common problem in these cars in high revs, so other than the notchiness in first and second gear, which is another problem with these transmissions, very weak, they're like glass, they break, and once you turbo them, they're just, I don't know. So from what I've heard, what I've read up, what I've been told, apparently it's an oiling issue in these gearboxes. So what we're going to do is we're going to attempt to flood the gearbox with another 1.5 litres of oil, together with a special additive that I'm going to show you now in a sec, and we're going to see if that helps. We're going to take it to the track also and drive it on the street, and we'll give it a couple of days, couple of weeks, and we'll see if it helps, and hopefully it fixes the problem. If it doesn't, then obviously we're going to have to upgrade the gear set. So we'll see how this goes and we'll go from there. It's reading from the box, it's on the additive that we've purchased, recommended by our good friends at Gearbox Factories Australia. Provides repair, restoration, anti-wear protection on mechanical transmission parts, fills in worn surfaces. Basically a good additive for manual transmission, auto transmissions, manualized automatic transmissions. Here it seals blowholes, micro scratches, increases gear shifting accuracy, improves operation of synchronizers, which we're going to see. The problem that we're having is on high revs in fourth gear, it's very difficult to go in, which is a common problem fault on these cars. So we'll see how that goes, and we'll keep you guys updated in the next video.
Hey, I got something to say. I'm just so sick of hearing everyone complain. I know it's tough and I know there's pain, but hitting bottom is the only way to change. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling. Bitch, I'm humbling, keep mumbling. I'll keep doubling, you keep bluffing. You've got nothing, I'll keep hustling. I've seen a lot of people who don't know what thirst is. I've had a taste of evil and tried to cure the sickness, but I just keep my head down and focus on the facts. I'm setting down gravel while you just follow the path. I'll lead them into battle while you're just too scared to act. I'll leave the knife right in my back, so I'll keep hustling. You
hinges. These are supposed to help the synchros mesh together, something like that. I'll show you the box in a moment. Car's pretty much done. All we're left with is the testing. We'll see how it goes in the upcoming video. Also stay tuned for the Supra, which is also going to be featured in our upcoming videos. So like, comment, subscribe.